recently my cousin,
Put it up.
yeah, him, he started his gaming room / desk setup journey.
Xbox, table, TV.
He was able to cross off another thing off his list.
Oh, that's nice.
Now having his desk, his Xbox, and his monitor, I wanted to surprise him with a little something. But first, we had to lie.
Yeah, pero tengo que hacer like the thumbnail, so I gotta do the cardboard.
¿Puedo ir?
Estás acá.
It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick. It's cause just a ver todo. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be
Va a
quick.
ser rápido.
Okay.
You want to stay?
Va a ser rápido, ¿ok? Usa tu teléfono, no sé.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. No, like damn.
¿Cómo la idea? ¿Qué vas a hacer?
He didn't
I
want it.
feel a little bit bad for him, pero no.
Yeah. It's a surprise, though, yeah.
Yeah, I did feel bad for him.
We at Walmart right now, and we about to get his LED lights so we can set them up.
I'm cute.
That boy got no drip.
No, it's drip. Look at that.
No, me and David always help you out.
We gotta get paint, boy. Yeah.
That's my cameraman.
Yeah.
True.
Alright, so we trying to figure out what LEDs we get them. Look, this one got app control, Wi-Fi, voice control.
Oh,
voice control.
Does it have Bluetooth?
It's 6
No.
feet.
Welcome back, y'all. Now we're here rising. I'm taking control of YouTube. Let me take control of your YouTube with you.
Alright, we just secured the bag, so we about to head out to his room. It's not working. I just think.
Wow. ¿Y otro color? Un teléfono, yo creo.
This control don't work.
Bruh.
So right now, we've been trying to control the LED lights, but it's not working, and the light doesn't seem very good. Through this button right here, makes no sense. So I'm trying to download the app. So we came into a little problem, and hopefully it works.
After about 5 minutes of not being able to control the lights, we finally had success.
So we finally got the LEDs going. So check it out. We could change it with this app. Any color he wants. Any color he wants. Look at that. Yeah.
So now it was time to surprise him.
Hey, man, vamos a ver tu. PC. Vamos. La mochila. Para dejarla.
Estaba perdido.
It's on.
Ah.
What?
¿Qué?
El teléfono.
¿Qué?
Ay, look.
¿No notas algo?
Sí, el teléfono.
No.
¿Qué?
¿No notas?
¡Oh!
Hey.
We
No me di cuenta.
We put some LEDs into this. But it's not chido.
No me di cuenta.
¿Te das cuenta, bro?
Yeah.
Sí.
Mira, se puede mover con una app.
Mentiroso.
Mira.
Y no se dio cuenta, bro.
That's what.
Sí, no me di cuenta.
He seen the phone first.
Yeah.
Vamos a Walmart rápido y se
Con razón fueron. No me di cuenta.
No fuimos a comprar nada de un billón ni nada.
No,
Fuimos
we
por
just went
esto.
to these.
Oh.
Surprise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Surprise.
What's up, Pride?
Gracias.
We about to head out.
So that's it. Little by little, he's gonna have the best gaming setup. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.